As YouTube content creators, we're always looking for ways to boost our videos and to increase our viewers and subscribers. And so I'm really excited today to share on this new tool that ElevenLabs has released in beta mode. It's an AI conversational assistant, and I'm going to compare it to, say, just using the conversational assistant that's available in ChatGPT 4.0. So let's get into it and see what's available with this new ElevenLabs AI chat assistant. So I've already programmed one here quickly. I'm just going to ask it to introduce itself to us. This one I programmed as a YouTube advisor for my current channel that you're watching, which is Pure Content Productions AI. How can I help? Oh, by the way, it's also using my voice to respond, so that's be interesting. Hi, yeah, I'm just doing a video about the difference between the ElevenLabs conversational AI and the ChatGPT 4.0 voice option. Please let us know, the audience, what is the difference? Great topic for a video comparing ElevenLabs conversational AI and ChatGPT 4.0's voice option. Here are the key differences to highlight. 1. Technology focus. ElevenLabs specializes in AI voice synthesis, while ChatGPT is primarily a language model with an added voice feature. Hey, thank you. That's great. I'm just going to show everyone how to set up an agent like yourself for a specific use case. That's an excellent idea. Demonstrating how to set up an AI agent for a specific use case is a valuable topic. So when you first come into ElevenLabs, you have all of these tabs on the left-hand side here, and we're in the conversational AI beta tab. And this is the YouTube advisor that I've already set up and been using. So I'll just quickly show you around this one. We've got the agent here on this tab, and the language spoken is English. It's just got American English as the option. The first message that will be asked by the chatbot is, how can I help you? You could change that to anything you want. We've got the system prompt here, which helps determine the kind of person and agent that this AI agent is. You are an expert content strategist and AI video creation specialist with in-depth knowledge of the latest AI tools for video production, including AI video, AI music, AI voice, AI image, AI creation, AI planning and scripting, AI SEO, and all related areas. Then in the next bit here is really exciting. You have the choice of which large language model you want to use, and because I already have ChatGPT 4.0 and I want to compare this also to ChatGPT 4.0, I thought let me use a different language model. So I'm using one of Google's, which is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is the best one they have on offer here. And then temperature here is how creative or the responses will be, so you can slide that wherever you want it. Limit token usage here is set to -1, which means it's basically able to answer questions as long as it wants to. And then this is one of the options that makes this really different from ChatGPT 4.0, is you can give it some knowledge to be able to talk about, because you can't do this very easily in the voice mode on ChatGPT 4.0. You could talk to ChatGPT 4.0 and give it information, but here inside of the ElevenLabs voice agent, you can actually give it some files. So I've given this large language model a PDF screenshot of my latest videos on YouTube, and I've given it some data from behind the scenes, a screenshot of some data, and I put them into PDF formats because it only accepts items in either PDF, text, doc, X, HTML or ePublisher formats currently at the moment. You can also give it a URL for some documentation, and you can just copy and paste some extra text in there as well if you want to give it some specific information. So then you've got some tools here. You can add agents, tools and secrets. We'll go back to the top here. You've got the agent tab, then you've got the voice. So here you can choose the voice you want it to talk to you in. And I chose my voice, but we could choose, say for instance, a different voice.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
We've changed the voice now for this agent to Lily, and you can optimize the stream latency, configure latency options for speech generation. Latency can be optimized at the cost of quality. Then stability, this is to be able to change the voice from, say, monotone to more creative, like more variation in tone. And let's go back to the top again now. Oh, we have to save that. We changed the name to Lily for the voice, so we're going to save that. Then analysis here and advanced. So you've got lots of more options in all of these. You can choose the length, the maximum conversation duration. So the maximum number of seconds that conversation can last. 10-minute conversation put in there. I think it's 300 originally, but I put up to 10 minutes. This is the maximum number of seconds since the last user spoke. How long it will wait before it speaks again. So I'm going to put that to 2. You can also go into this next one here, widget. This is where you can change how the agent will look. So the embedded code, if you want to embed it into, say, your website or something. And you've got the appearance. So I changed the color of the orb to these 2 green colors. But you could also change what appears on screen to be like an image or a link. We're going to go to click on the link. That gives me the link to go and now talk with it.
How can I help?
Hey, just showing what you sound like with your new voice now. What would you suggest for my next video for YouTube?
For your next YouTube video, I'd suggest focusing on a trending AI video creation tool that's generating buzz in the content creation community.
Okay, so there's the ElevenLabs tool. Let's just see what ChatGPT has to say for itself. Hey, I'm just doing a video about ChatGPT voice versus the ElevenLabs AI Agent voice. And one of the differences I noticed was that with the ElevenLabs AI voice, you can give it context, you can upload files, say background information to help with the conversation.
That's a really interesting point. With ElevenLabs AI Voice, being able to upload files or provide background information allows for more tailored and context-rich interactions. It can make the conversation feel more natural and personalized. In contrast, ChatGPT's voice mode doesn't have this feature, so it relies more on real-time conversation without the ability to incorporate preloaded context.
How do you think the ElevenLabs AI voice assistant could help content creators?
The ElevenLabs AI voice assistant could be a game changer for content creators, especially on platforms like YouTube. Here's how. 1. Enhanced personalization. By uploading background information, creators can tailor the AI's responses to fit the specific context of their content, making interactions more engaging and relevant. Scripted conversations. Creators can preload information or scripts into the AI, allowing for smooth, natural-sounding dialogue in videos without needing a second person. Dynamic Q&A. For educational or explainer videos, the AI can answer audience questions in real time, based on the provided background information. 4. Language and tone consistency. The AI can maintain a consistent tone or language style across various videos, ensuring a cohesive brand voice. 5. Reduced production time. By automating parts of the voiceover process, creators can save time and focus on other aspects of content creation. Overall, ElevenLabs AI Voice Assistant offers a versatile tool for content creators to enhance their videos with engaging and context-aware audio elements.
That is the two agents. You've got the ElevenLabs AI agent, and there's so many ways in which it could be used. It's like having an extra employee to help you. And the advantage it gives over just the standard chat option inside of ChatGPT 4.0 is that you can give it the context in terms of giving it images and background information. And I'm excited to get to use it and to let you know about it. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and make sure to like this video if it's added value to you, and make sure to check out this next video on AI tools. And I'll see you in that video. Thank you.